What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Dyplay. They were nice enough to send one of their active noise cancelling urban traveler wireless Bluetooth headphones so I can test and share with you guys my thoughts. I've been testing this headphone for almost 5 days now, so there is some pros and cons. Now keep in mind you can pick up this headphone for around $62, but remember price does fluctuate. This headphone does come with a solid case. No worries, you can safely carry this headphone with you. They also include a 3.5 aux cable and a micro USB cable so you can easily charge the headphone. Now the build quality is not too bad, but I'm slightly disappointed because this headphone only comes in two colors, only gray and red. I just don't understand why not black. Does come with soft and comfortable ear cups and adjustable tight fit headband. Bottom of the headphone you will find 3.5 audio jack and a micro USB port. Also comes with built-in microphone. Microphone sound quality is okay for phone calls and gaming. Okay, so the right side of the headphone you will find volume up and down button and also the power button. Left side you will find the ANC button. Active noise cancelling works really well, but I feel like music sounds better without ANC enabled. Now don't forget this headphone is packed with a large 40mm driver so you can enjoy the deep and the crisp sound. Don't worry guys, I didn't forget about the battery life. You can get up to 15 hours music playtime and 12 hours with ANC enabled. I got no complaints because this headphone does work with my MP3 player, smartphone and my Apple laptop. Alright guys, let me know what do you guys think. There will be a link in the video description, don't forget to check out. Also don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next one.